Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to perfectly fit a photo in Microsoft Word without losing quality or disturbing your document format. If you are struggling with image format, size or distortion, this video is for you. Let's get started. Click on Insert. First insert the shape. Click on Shapes. Select rectangle shape. Draw the rectangle like this. Draw the rectangle in your preferred size. Now we need to remove the border. Click on Shape Format. Select the shape. Click on Shape Format. Now click on Shape Outline. Select No Outline. It removes the border. Now right click on the shape. Select Format Shape. Now select the picture or texture fill. Click on Insert to select photo. Now select the photo. Now photo fit in the shape like this. To correct this one, click on Picture Format. Now click on Crop. Click on Fill. Now again go to Picture Format. Click on Crop. Select Fit. It perfectly fits now. Now we can place this image wherever we want. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.